Caleb, what book is that?
Um,
What book do you have?
Get the mother rabbit but hungry bird.
Oh, wow. Can you read that to me?
Get the mother rabbit but hungry bird.
That's right.
It's up the pipe.
Can you turn the page? Yeah.
A ladder coming out the door.
Yeah, there's a ladder coming out the door. That's right.
What's the ladder back? Mama, what's the ladder back?
Where's the back of the ladder?
Yeah.
It's inside the house. That's on the other side of the door. Okay, go on.
It's right there.
That's right. You got it. Are you going to read the story? Caleb, can you read me the story?
Right there in the house.
That's right. It's right there in the house.
Little mom, what's it doing? Oh, I see a strawberry. Little mom, a big hungry boy. How this? The boy, very love strawberry on my way. The bird hungry will never get.
Especially.
The bird will that sound back. Boom, boom, boom. The bird forward number hungry feet and now, why the strawberry? It's
Bless you.
only hitting it. All the cutting it. And all the cuts. Quack on that one was like the white got it into Mama, can you almost there?
That's right. You're almost there.
You help me, baby. Oh, yum. And this
Uh-oh, don't skip a page.
is the mouse
Yeah, there's the mouse.
eating that coffee.
That's right.
Mama,
Yeah?
everybody cutting it up.
He's cutting it up?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what's he doing? On the next page.
It's no coffee. It's like kind of fork, Mommy.
Oh, it looks like Caleb's fork. Yeah. Caleb, what does it say on this page?
The
Now.
Now. The rabbit. The bug hungry. Will never get the end.
Yay! The end.